Hello, in this short video I'll show you how to replace the maintenance ink cartridge on my Canon ImageProGraph Pro. The cartridge lasts quite a while, but it naturally depends on how much you print. The cost is around $40–50. In the package you also have a bag to pack the old cartridge. The printer starts alerting that the cartridge needs to be replaced, but I personally get another month out of it before it stops working. However, it's important to have the new one ready, because once it stops, you won't be able to do anything. Here's what the cartridge looks like. It comes with instruction inside, but I won't go over the instructions since I've done this before. The whole process is quite easy. Do not attempt to clean the cartridge, as it has a chip and the printer will recognize it.